The truth about sugar.
Many believe that all sugar is equally damaging, but is it always harmful? But the reality is more nuanced. Understanding the kinds, sources, and amounts of sugar you consume plays a big role in your overall health. Let's explore what science really says about sugar.
Natural versus added sugar.
Not all sugars are created equal. Naturally occurring sugars are found in fruits, vegetables, and dairy products, along with beneficial nutrients and fiber. Added sugars, on the other hand, are placed into foods during processing or preparation. Most health concerns are linked to excess intake of added sugars, not those naturally present in whole foods.
Why added sugar can be problematic.
High consumption of added sugars has been associated with various health problems. These include weight gain, increased risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and dental cavities. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and desserts are common sources. The World Health Organization recommends limiting added sugar to less than 10% of daily calories for most people.
Common myths about sugar.
One myth is that sugar is toxic or should be completely eliminated. In reality, moderate sugar intake is generally safe for most healthy individuals. Another misconception is that sugar causes hyperactivity in children, but research has not found a consistent link. It's important to focus on overall eating habits, not just sugar alone.
Making healthier sugar choices.
You don't have to cut out all sugar to be healthy. Prioritize whole fruits, dairy, and other foods with natural sugars. Limit your intake of sugary drinks, candies, and processed snacks. Read nutrition labels to spot added sugars and consider small swaps, like choosing water over soda. Balance, not restriction, is key to a healthy approach to sugar.